When would you use insert into select instead of individual inserts? If you're still inserting rows one at a time, you're leaving massive performance gains on the table. Insert into select is designed for bulk data transfer between tables. Instead of fetching rows from one table, looping through them in your application code, and inserting each one individually, you let the database do all the work in a single statement. The data never leaves the database server, making this operation incredibly efficient for copying hundreds, thousands, or even millions of rows. The performance difference is dramatic. Individual inserts require a round trip to the database for every single row. That means network latency, connection overhead, and transaction processing multiplied by however many rows you're inserting. Insert into select eliminates all that. It's a single statement, one round trip, and the database engine optimizes the entire operation internally. In practice, you'll see speed-ups of 10 times, 50 times, or even more when dealing with large datasets. So when do you reach for this? Common scenarios include archiving old records to a history table, creating aggregated reporting tables from transactional data, migrating data between schemas or databases, and populating staging tables during ETL processes. Anywhere you need to copy a significant amount of data efficiently, insert into select is your tool. Here's where it gets powerful. You can include here clauses to filter which rows get copied, use joins to combine data from multiple tables, and apply transformations during the insert. Plus, the entire operation is atomic. It either completes fully or rolls back, and you can wrap it in a transaction for even more control. This gives you both safety and flexibility. Bottom line, use insert into select when you need to copy data between tables efficiently. Your database will thank you. Want more SQL interview prep? Subscribe for weekly questions. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.